Do you have dark circles around your eyes and you want to get rid of them? So here is a simple remedy that I am sharing with you. For this remedy you need cucumber juice, orange or potato juice, aloe vera and vitamin E oil. Take a clean bowl and add cucumber juice and orange juice in it. Add 1 to 2 capsules of vitamin E oil and 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Mix them all and keep it in refrigerator until it chills out. Then take it out of the refrigerator and apply around your eyes. Use this remedy daily at night and you will see it works wonders. Cucumber helps to hydrate the skin and lightens the skin of your eyes, making the skin smooth and supple. Orange juice, rich of vitamin C, will help to build the collagen and strengthen the skin. It also has lightening properties that will help to remove dark circles fastly. Vitamin E oil helps to hydrate and refreshes the skin and makes the skin look younger. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.